Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So good morning and welcome to Sri G.M. Ronda Primary School. In English grammar session, chapter 12, conjunctions. So we have already studied in our previous classes conjunction. Yes, so conjunctions are the joining words. Okay, they join words, group of words or sentences. So now what is conjunction? So learn this definition. A conjunction is a word used to join words, group of words or sentences. Example: Anne and Lucy are sisters. Anne is simple but Lucy is clever. So again I am repeating, Anne is simple but Lucy is clever. Anne gets punished although the mischief is done by Lucy. So here Anne and Lucy are sisters. So Anne is joining Anne and Lucy. Anne is simple but Lucy is clever, but is joining the two. Anne is simple, Lucy is clever. Anne gets punished although the mischief is done by Lucy. So although is joining the sentences. So now in these sentences the words and, but and although have been used as conjunctions, right? So there are two types of conjunction. So now which are they? The types of conjunctions are coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. Now coordinating conjunctions. When we join two words, phrases or clauses of equal importance or of the same function, they become coordinating phrases or clauses. So again I am repeating, when we join two words, phrases or clause of equal importance or of the same function, they become coordinating phrases or clause. In short, the word we used to join these two parts are called coordinating conjunction. Right? Learn these definitions, children. Now, we have to learn some rules. Fine. So, and is used to add something to another. Joining two words, green and blue. Joining two phrases, some rice and bit of curry. Joining two clauses or sentences, she is reading and he is painting. Or is used to choose between two or more things. Joining two words, tea or coffee. Joining two phrases, a trip to a zoo or to the park. Joining two clauses or sentences, they could come with us or they could go on their own. Now, but is used for contrasting between two things. Joining two words, joining two phrases, joining two clauses or sentences. Tired but satisfied, they are joining two words. But is joining two words. Yes, not this week, but next week. But is here joining two phrases. I called many times but no one answered the phone. Here but is joining two sentences. Okay, yet. Yet is used to mean at the same time or nevertheless. Okay, now joining to words, joining to phrases, joining to clauses or sentences. Bright yet pleasing. So here yet is joining to words. Joining to phrases, very sunny yet breezy morning. It was difficult task, yet it was very interesting. Yet is joining to clauses or sentences. Now, subordinate conjunction. When we join two clauses and one of those clauses is dependent on or is a part of another and cannot stand alone, we call it subordinate clauses. So again I am repeating, when we join two clauses and one of those clauses is dependent on or is a part of another and cannot stand alone, we call it subordinate clause. The word we use to join the subordinate clause with the main clause is a subordinating conjunction. So in short, the word we use to join the subordinate clause with the main clause is a subordinating conjunction. So let's learn the rules and forms. Fine. Subordinating conjunction, kinds of clause. Here, adverb clause. In adverb clause, time, place, reason, purpose, manner, concession, comparison, condition. Okay. Subordinate conjunction, when, while, till, whenever, before, after, as, soon as, because, as, since, where, wherever, as, though, however, how, like, though, although, even, though, nevertheless. So, the examples are: I saw Samira waiting for me when I reached home. So, here's subordinate conjunction. You can see, yes, I saw Samira waiting for me when I reached home. Adverb clauses showing the time, when. Now, wherever he goes, Suresh carries his passport. So, adverb clauses wherever goes. Why? Because it says the place. Fine. So, Samira did not call Kunal since she didn't have his number. Now, kind of clause. Adverb clause and subordinate conjunction. So, as, to, in order to, so, that, as, to, as, so, as, if, unless, whether, should, in case, suppose. Got it, children? So, now the examples of subordinate clause are: he parked at a roadside cafe so they could have a cup of tea. Jisha laughed so much as though she found it funny. The crop was good, although the rains were poor. She is much taller than I am. Should it rain tomorrow, we might to cancel our plane. We should call Jatin in case he wants to join us. Now, subordinate conjunctions. Kind of clause is adjective clause. Subordinate conjunction is who, that, which, whose, whom. Now, the examples are Leonard is the man whose friend is physicist. This is the house that Mr. Trivedi bought. Kind of clause, noun clause, subordinate conjunction, that, if, whether. Examples, please let me know if you will come to the event. Rema wondered whether she needs to take an umbrella. So, children, I hope you have understood this chapter, conjunction. Go through the forms and the rules of your textbook, learn the definitions. Okay, so bye bye and thank you, children.